Looking for the perfect outdoor kitchen? Stay tuned and find out the design mistakes you should avoid. Today we present you with the ultimate guide, where you will find everything you need to know, from how to choose the ideal location to the appropriate materials, sizes, and weights. With all this, you will be able to create the kitchen of your dreams and enjoy a unique experience. The climate of the region where you live is an important factor to consider when determining the ideal location for your outdoor kitchen. However, due to the layout or geometry of your terrace or garden, sometimes you won't have many options when choosing that location. If you live in a warm region, you have two options when it comes to positioning your outdoor kitchen in your garden or terrace. In case you have a covered area, like a gazebo or pergola, where you will enjoy more hours of sun and light, you should orient your outdoor kitchen or barbecue towards the south. Otherwise, if you don't have a covered area, the most comfortable place for cooking will be in the coldest part of the house, which is usually the north-facing side. In cold climates, we also suggest a south-facing orientation as it receives the most hours of sun on average, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor kitchen year-round. Anyway, the ideal would be to install your kitchen under a covered terrace. Inside your home, the average temperature ranges between 68 and 75 degrees throughout the year, with a low humidity percentage. Indoor kitchens do not suffer as much because they are not exposed to UV rays, humidity, and air salinity as coastal areas. In the case of an outdoor kitchen, they continuously face weather inclemencies such as high humidity levels, UV rays, the intense summer heat, or the cold of winter. All this has a significant impact on the durability and resistance of outdoor kitchen materials. Another aspect to take into account is if you live near the sea, as salinity is a very aggressive agent that can very negatively affect the integrity of your kitchen. Since salt in the air is found in areas close to the sea, it contains chlorine, which is a very strong oxidizer. To sum up, if you choose an outdoor kitchen made with materials commonly used indoors, this would cause rapid degradation and a reduction in their durability. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. In the coming months, we will continue uploading content full of tips to help you design your outdoor kitchen. As we mentioned earlier, the materials used for an outdoor kitchen and furniture are completely different from those used in indoor kitchens. Moreover, it is essential that these materials are not only durable, but also safe and easy to clean. Besides integrating it with the architecture of your garden or terrace, we recommend using materials like sintered stones, quartz, stainless steel 304, and marine grade 316, as all of them are very durable materials designed to withstand different weather conditions. On the other hand, plastics like HDPE, wood, HPL, marble, resins, concrete, and cement are the least suitable for outdoor use, since they require a lot of maintenance and offer very limited durability and resistance to use, cooking temperatures, and weather conditions. Another point to consider is the weight of the kitchen. Since the structure of house floors and surfaces is designed so that 1 square meter can support between 550 and 800 pounds. Therefore, it is advisable to avoid placing very heavy kitchens, such as concrete, cement, or brick kitchens, because their weight could exceed the load-bearing capacity of the terrace floor, which is the surface you walk on, and cause enormous accidents. If you have a garden or a terrace, you have the possibility to install larger and heavier kitchens, as their weight will be directly supported by the surface where they are installed. In some cases, a foundation slab will be necessary so that the load distribution on the ground is as uniform as possible. This will prevent floor cracking and the kitchen from breaking during installation and over its lifespan. And that's it. Now you have a clear idea of the first steps before setting up your outdoor kitchen. If you need more information, contact us and our technical team will advise you on everything you need. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. See you next time.